Bees mostly eat nectar and pollen, and it's the female bees that travel from the hive to collect it for the colony. These bees are visiting flowers from bottlebrush trees. Each of the flower's stamens are tipped with pollen. As they move across a flower, the pollen becomes stuck to the bee's body. The bee will use its hairy legs to brush the pollen from their body into a pair of pollen baskets. Pollen baskets are hollow areas surrounded by hairs that are found on the hind legs of some species of bees. Each bee mixes nectar with the pollen to pack it into the basket, and the surrounding hairs keep the mixture in place while the bee moves about. Once her pollen basket is full, the bee flies back to the hive so that her nourishing food that she's collected can be distributed to the other bees in the colony. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.